Okay, so if you go to this portal page, on the right column, beneath the tutorial and here in the subject based e-resources, if you click the subject based e-resource, now can you see anatomy, pathology and pharmacy? Rajman, is it available there on the screen, anatomy, pathology and pharmacy?
Yes, yes,
Yes,
yes.
it
Can
is.
see it.
So when you click the anatomy uh, link, you find mainly three rows. One is access medicine, another is clinical key, another is theme. So when you click the access medicine, you can find not only textbook, also videos and images. But as today's session is mostly focused on semester one, we do not want to cloud your cognition with too much information. So we have actually, under this textbook, we have put only one, and we have gone through the different books and we find that this book has a lot of pictures, and not only that, very simplified information about human anatomy. So if you click this book, you can find different chapters. I will go through particularly one part. For example, when you are at the very beginning of anatomy lectures, Prof. Joe goes through the bones of the body. So you can go to the upper limb and you can find out the bones of the upper limb. You can go through the overview of the upper limb. You can have the different images of bones of the upper limb. You can identify those. So this is a very valuable book, not only about the bones. You can also, when the organ system starts in semester one, you can go for learning lungs, learning heart, and you can not only that, when you go find out each of the information in this book particularly is associated with a very well described, well structured picture. For example, here this part talks about pleura. So all the different images which describe the subdivisions of the pleura are well described. So I find, even as lecturer, this book very useful, particularly in earlier semester. There are images, there are whole chapter. Even going through your mobile phone, you can access this resource. Now I will go to the next part now, about our subject-based resources. Next part is clinical key. Remember, clinical key has a lot of ebooks, and I will focus on particularly one. Under the ebooks in clinical key, not only lecturers, even semester 8, semester 9 student, when they go to the clinical also, they value this book. This is called Netter's Atlas. So I'll click now Netter's Atlas. Netter's Atlas is an age-old atlas, which is for many years have been uh, become a very important resource, not only medical students, also clinicians. So remember that sometimes you go towards the right part and you can log in here, because certain part of the clinical key require logging. So you put your usual IMU password. If you cannot do, there is another way for logging. You go to other institution logging. As you can see, I have put my own logging password. I cannot do. So you go log in via your institution. You type International Medical University, go there. And after International Medical University, automatic it will go to IMU logging page. Remember to put only your name, not your whole logging email. So once you are done it, now you can access all the clinical key. For example, just now we are talking about in subject based, I was talking about Netter's Atlas. Now I click it. I can go and suppose I want to learn about the head and neck. So I click here, and in Netter's Atlas, whatever images is there in the head and neck, all I can see. These are very valuable images. As I told you that this Netter's Atlas has been used by dentistry, by pharmacy, by other branches, because the pictures are really a good quality. So remember that this Netter's Atlas is under clinical key. For that, you have to log in via International Medical University, and you can get all the images and learn sitting in your home. Next part, I will go to the videos and images under clinical key. You can see here there are a lot of images, and we have just put a few images. But if you go to clinical key image and go down and click here below, you can get nearly thousands of images which are all in thumbnail, and you can search any of these images. Particularly, this type of resources are very much useful for IMU lecturers, because when you are an IMU faculty and you are using this image in your PowerPoint, you do not require any permission, because we are actually paid for these resources and for using those. So clinical key, remember Netter's Atlas as well as images. And now I will go to the last part of the anatomy part, which is THEMI. In the THEMI, there are few ebooks which are very, very useful, not only for medical students, also for dental students and pharmacy students. One of the book I'll click under THEMI. This is particularly for histology. So when you go to histology, you can see all the images. Not only that, under histology, you can have videos also. So when you go to show videos under THEMI, and for example, now you are doing in the first 1 or 2 weeks, you are studying about the muscles like cardiac muscles and skeletal muscle. So all this thumbnail, all the videos are there. You can go through and search. For example, I want to go through this video, which is talking about the cardiac muscle. So you can click these videos and go through it. And if you have got any problem, you can always go for assistance from library help desk. Now, I also want to show you another important resource under anatomy in Access Medicine. When you go for Access Medicine, all the resources here, under Access Medicine, there are a lot of books and resources. For example, if I click here below in the image, I go to main page of the Access Medicine, and in Access Medicine, you go to multimedia, human anatomy modules. Under human anatomy modules, you can get all the lectures. And remember, these lectures are all short videos. You can see about back muscles, 13-minute, vertebral column, 12-minute. So in nowadays, we are always talking about micro learning. Students do not have continuous capacity to go through one particular lecture for hours together. They want short segmental learning process. So for example, I want to go through the mediastinum, and my time available is only 10 minutes. I click this mediastinum one, and now it go to some username and password. You can always go to IMU library and find out the username and password and enjoy those videos. Not only that, there are also videos here which goes through the clinical skills. There are a lot of videos here based on clinical skills, particularly for semester 1 when you are starting the patient interview process, how to interview a patient, how to start with your communication skills. These videos are quite important. So I repeat again that the resources under anatomy are grouped under Access Medicine. In Access Medicine, you can get one textbook, which is classical textbook, gross anatomy, big picture. Once you go inside Access Medicine, you can get a lot of videos. In Clinical Key, again, you can get a lot of images and lot of ebooks. Theme is particularly for ebooks, and under theme also there are lot of videos and images. So you try doing it, and if you find out any problem in accessing any of the images or videos, please talk with IMU library help desk, send them emails. Rajman is always there. He is very, very helpful. He will be always helping you to get correct resources. So I hope that the structured anatomy resources will be very much useful for all semester 1 students. Thank you.